Hey guys, anyway, I bet y'all wonder where I've been. Well, I've been super busy, and I got my concrete poured for my slab, as y'all can tell. I gotta take the forms off of it tomorrow, but this is what I've been doing all week long, preparing for this. This is gonna be a great improvement. I'm gonna have a place to put my car, some storage. It's not going to be very big. I ain't going to be able to do a whole bunch of repairs in here. But this is my building. Started my building. I did have some person take some pictures. And they did take a video. And the video quality is not that good. And I'll add it to the back of here. But here's my little building I'm building. And it's super windy out here. I hope y'all can hear me. Let me walk back here and show y'all some more. That's what it looks like. So, phase one of my building is done. I just got to put up walls, roof, and the doors. So, this is what I've been doing. This is why there's been no videos put up. I'm hoping I can video some more on my Monte Carlo later on this week. Putting in the final touches on that dyno mat and my carpet. I'm ready to get it put back together so I can drive it. There ain't going to be no such thing as a cold start for a while. They're predicting 80-degree weather, but I wanted to show y'all why I wasn't putting up any videos. This is first step of a bunch of long-term goals. I'm very excited about it. So, there you go. That's why I hadn't put up any videos. Been busting my butt to get ready for doing this on Friday. This is Sunday morning, and man, that almost wore me out. So, at the end of this video, there'll be some pictures. I think I already said this. And a short video, the quality's not that good of us screeting the concrete, but it'll give you some kind of idea of what we did, how we did it. So if you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. Thank you. Got a few little spots.
That looks pretty good. Push down on it, push down on it.
Yeah, that looks good.